here's the update as far as what happened today. I made that day trade on Space. I bought right around here at 1560 or so, somewhere around there. And I actually day traded it today, and I made, I think, about 2.1x on Space on my contracts, which was really, really freaking awesome. I pretty much bought at, the contracts for $16 call, right around 15, I think 59 or something like that, right around here. And then pretty much it ran up today, and I sold at 1670 underlying. And as you can see, insane gains. I'm 100% cash now, which I want to hold my position until tomorrow to see what happens. And it's continuing to go. However, looking at Space on the 1 hour, I believe the running should continue going just because there's this blue bar here on the TTM squeeze, and the yellow bar is still the yellow line is still below the purple line, and it's still getting pulled to the gravitational line. So looking at that and comparing it to the past portion of where Space was, there's a good chance that Space can have a good run up to about $20 or so. This is like the one time it's happened on a giant fish hook that it may be running up. So I'm probably going to buy something that's 2 weeks out, probably a $17 call. I'm just going to watch the 1 minute period and see, when I should enter. I believe since this ran up so fast, really fast, I believe by the end of the day there should be a crash. If not, there's going to be a crash tomorrow, and based on that, we're going to see what's going to happen in the next couple days. So once again, I think this is what's going to happen. I'm not 100% sure, but I believe if there is a sell-off and I buy something 2 weeks out, I believe with this crossover, there could be a really good chance that, that I can be extremely profitable. So like if I buy a 2 week out swing trade, and let's say I buy a $17 call on Space, there's a chance the Space can go to 18, maybe even 19. You're looking at 2-3x, and if I can get down on swing, I wouldn't have to burn a day trade. I'm going to try and get a day trade in tomorrow, but we'll see what happens right there. I'm really happy about today. Look at my percentage, 213%. I mean, obviously that's not all true because I did trade Delta. Giving you the update on Delta, I got the $27 Delta call right around here at 27 or 26, I think like 80 or something like that, and it spiked up to 28.56. So had I actually held it a little bit longer, I could have got a little bit more. I did sell on open right around here, so I made about $70 right here, and then basically I used that to buy Space. So for me, Space was such a big run, it didn't even matter. But the reason why I was a little rushed selling my Delta calls was because I had them expiring this Friday. Had I kept them, I would have almost 3x'd. But, I mean, nonetheless, that's a risk I didn't want to take because I wanted to have something that had a little more time. So once again, I feel very happy of what has happened. Delta is going to start breaking a new all-time high. Definitely going to have this on my watch list to see what else is going to happen with Delta. Right now, before the end of the day, I'm looking at probably getting into Pfizer. Just looking here at Pfizer, the yellow line's about to cross. I'll probably buy one contract for a swing and probably sell it early morning tomorrow. There is the Fed repurchase program. It looks like over here. There's going to be an overnight repo, which is probably going to push the SPY market up again. So once again, very happy. If you guys like something, you guys learn something, hit the subscribe button. This is probably one of the best intensive days ever. I'm almost back in the money, back in the game. If I can, close out another 2x, 3x this week, and look at maybe $2-3 grand.